Wind speeds are picking back up across Southern California following a weekend of calmer conditions that did allow crews to fight the wildfires that are still just raging in that area. The Palisades fire and the Eaton fire, the two largest wildfires in the area, are only 13% and 33% contained, respectively. In all, at least 24 people have died. More than 24 people are still missing, and more than 40,000 acres have burned. This morning, Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass praised the people of her city who are helping those in need.
Angelenos, as we continue to experience the shock, the grief, and the anger, we have to stand together, and it is in that spirit that we have seen hundreds, if not thousands, of Angelenos traveling all around the region to deliver supplies, clothes, whatever they think might help the victims of these fires.
CBS News correspondent Adam Yamaguchi reports from the Pacific Palisades neighborhood about 20 miles west of downtown Los Angeles.
Lindsay, I'm standing at the entrance to what used to be a home here in the Pacific Palisades. I'm seeing nothing but destruction all around me in this neighborhood, with the exception of a few structures that are still standing in place. Everything else seems to be wiped out. In fact, 75% of this area is said to have been completely decimated, and it's only when I look off into the horizon that I can see intact structures in rows. That just marks how much devastation there is. Firefighters are continuing at this point to work on building further containment lines. The containment levels stand at around 14% as of this morning. And they had a window of opportunity this weekend when the winds died down significantly with a short amount of time to try to, again, build those containment lines. Those are the buffer zones that surround a fire to prevent them from hopping over and spreading using all the fuel that's in the way. And they do that by clearing out brush, clearing out debris of structures that were partially burned, again, in the hopes of preventing what we saw last week from continuing. Now, again, there has been a lull for the last few days, last couple days, I should say, but those winds are expected to come back and come back strong. The National Weather Service has issued another red flag warning of the highest designation. That is a particularly dangerous situation that is expected to start at around 4 a.m. local time overnight and continue into the afternoon tomorrow. So by no means are we out of the woods, and officials across the city are urging people to continue to stay away from these evac zones so that the firefighters and officials can do what they need to do to prevent further damage.
Adam Yamaguchi, thank you.